Hello everyone, my name is J.R. Renaissance, and you may know me as the Bit Baking Cookie Guy or the Chia Cheese Sauce Guy. And when I'm not whipping up Chia or baking bit cookies, I've been working on a brand new vegan fast food menu. You heard that right, a vegan fast food menu that we're taking with us and we're putting it on our own food truck, and we're calling that food truck Faux. Now watch out. So I've been working on this all-vegan food truck process for about 6 years now, and I finally feel as though the time is right. And what I'm really excited about in the menu is everything can also be made gluten-free as well. So we're taking care of not only my fellow vegans, but gluten-freers, as well as meat eaters, because let me tell you, you're not going to be able to tell that this is vegan or gluten-free. So let me show you a few of our all-vegan Faux menu items. At Faux, we're going to have several burger options for you, but one main staple is going to be our Faux burger patty that we make in-house. And not only is it vegan, but it's also gluten-free too. We'll even be cutting our own fries in-house and serving some fresh potato french fries to you. So we've also got our very own vegan, gluten-free fried chicken sandwich. Listen to that crunch. Right there, my friends. Cannot wait for you guys to try this. Why a vegan food truck, you ask? Why not just a standalone restaurant? Well, our plan is still someday to have a standalone restaurant, but having a food truck allows us to reach more people and also educate people about veganism and how good this vegan food can really be. One thing that I'm truly fortunate with is by having Bit Baking Company in Chia, I have a great production facility. That is actually going to act as our commissary for the food truck. So we don't really have to look for another kitchen to use. We already are going to be using the existing large kitchen that we already have for Bit Baking and Chia. Plus, get this, I'm also working with someone who owned a very successful restaurant and recently sold it. Here's where you come in. We have a Kickstarter set up with several incentives for you to donate to this food truck that we call Faux, and we really hope you would join us to be a part of this. We plan on attending several expos with this food truck and spreading a ton of vegan awareness as well as some great vegan food all over West Michigan. Thank you so much for checking out this video, and to Faux.
Say we're different from each other, but we're falling in love.